Hello and welcome to our discussion of cash flow-based funding solutions, a Loan Whisperer podcast production. Look, there is no doubt that funding for your business in today's environment is not the most pleasant experience. Hopefully it's not quite like the picture on the video here, but it can be challenging. Two solutions that utilize cash flow or the business's cash flow to underwrite or determine a loan amount and a loan viability would be term loans and revenue advances. Term loans are straight rate and term, fully underwritten loans focused on the cash flow of the business, and they'll take a look at sometimes at the security, the assets in the business also. Be just like a car loan or a mortgage, anywhere from 2 to 4 year terms are typical what's out there with term loans. And these are still fully underwritten, so there's credit score requirements, there's quite a process to them, but they are out there, and for certain clients in certain positions, term loans do work. The other option is revenue advances, sometimes called the merchant cash advance. And these can be challenging, but also sometimes they are the option, the best option for the customer. And they've got a bad reputation, but I think if you approach them right, they can be, in certain circumstances, a good solution. Essentially what a revenue advance is today is you are given funds today in return for repayment from your future sales. So if you were to be given an advance of $100,000 today, you might pay back $120,000 to $130,000 over the next 12 months. That's essentially a revenue advance. They can be fixed payments or they can be variable payments. They can be daily, weekly, or monthly. So as I was saying earlier, you have to find the right revenue advance. But before you find the right revenue advance, you have to determine if a revenue advance is right for you. And you do that like you would do any other funding that you're approaching. And you begin with the use of funds, and more importantly, the financial benefit of that use of funds. So what are you going to use the money for? Are you going to use it to do something that is going to increase your cash flow and thereby provide you the opportunity to repay the advance? That would be the situation that you want to look at a revenue advance if you've exhausted some of the other options. The good news here is they go rather quickly. You can be funded in less than a week. But again, start with the use of funds and your capacity to service the debt to make sure it's a good business decision. If you'd like to discuss your funding need or learn more about commercial and investment funding options, please contact me, Mike, at 844-249-3621. Or you can email me at mike@loanwhisperer.org, or you can visit www.loanwhisperer.org. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.